So this pin-like thing that goes right here, when we opened up the washing machine, was laying just like that. Obviously it's not supposed to be, well, obviously on top of the clothes that were there. And this is the second time in less than a year this has happened. This machine is only, I'd say it's 7, maybe 8 months old, so this goes there. I'm going to pop the top off. This part here, I'll just show you, that's going to pop off. There's a little spot right there. So I'm just going to get a flathead screwdriver, and that pops off. I'll pop that off. And yeah, this guy here, they certainly don't make them like they used to. Anyway, we'll pop that off and get an extension together, and hopefully I'll be able to reach that. So the bolt was loose in there. I just had to take a few minutes and wiggle it around to get it through the hole. And now all I'm going to do, so I put these extensions together and put this down, and I'll attach this, tighten it up, and hopefully this will be the end of it. And that's good and tight. Hopefully that won't come off again. Take that out. Good to go. Good as new.